Hey guys, I'm Nasreen and welcome to my channel. Dandruff is a skin condition that mainly affects the scalp. It is caused as MG fungus breaks down oil on your scalp called sebum. Symptoms include flaking and sometimes mild itchiness. I'll tell you how you can get rid of the annoying flakes in just one wash. If you're new to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get started. The first ingredient that you'll need is lemon. Lemon has antifungal properties that help maintain scalp health. It helps control the production of oil in your scalp. It also helps stimulate regrowth from the dominant hair follicles. The second ingredient is oil. Oil helps fight dry scalp and dandruff. It stimulates hair growth, nourishes the hair, prevents oily hair, and adds shine. You can apply with the help of a cotton ball or with the lemon itself. If you suffer from dandruff, all you have to know is it is not because you have a poor hygiene and it is not contagious. Apply and massage this onto your scalp for around 5 to 10 minutes. Also note that this remedy has helped my friends and I'm sure it will help you too. For a person with extreme dandruff condition, you can use this hair treatment once a week. Leave it for 15 minutes, then wash off with a mild shampoo. Dermatologists warn against shampooing your hair every day. The concern being that you'll strip the scalp and hair of natural oils and cause irritation. But dandruff poses the opposite problem. To rid your scalp of dandruff, you need to clean out all gunk. Wash your hair at least 3 times a day and even use it every day to keep dandruff away. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, give a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video.
എനിക്ക് ബിരിയാണി വാങ്ങി തരാന്ന്
Oi.